the forest, by using one particular thing, we will, see the direction. So what is that called as what? Yeah, let's say you are going towards the directions, how the directions, what are the compass, correct? So what are the directions basically? So this is which direction according to the compass? This is which direction? North. Okay, and this is which direction? East. And how about this? North opposite would be south, and east opposite would be west. Okay, and this region is called what? Okay, this particular is north, and this is east, and this between north and east. So that is obviously called what? That is a northeast region. Okay, and this is what? This is also southeast region. Okay, and this is what? This is going to be southwest region. And how about this? This is going to be northwest region. Okay, so these are the regions. Okay, so these are the regions, and you need to understand the regions, how regions have, because only if you are going straight towards north, the 90 degrees, if you are making 90 degrees, then only, okay, then only you are traveling towards north. But if you took 10 degrees, okay, from north, you are in the region of northeast. Okay, northeast. Okay, suppose let's say you traveled 10 meters towards east, then you took your left. Now tell me, you are going to traveling which direction? You're traveling towards east, you took your left. Left means now in which direction you're traveling? Left. You will travel like this. What is this region? This is north. Okay, north. So when you are traveling this direction, when you took your left, you are going to traveling towards north. When you took your right, you are going to traveling which direction? South. Okay, let's say you are traveling towards north. You took your left. Now you are traveling in which direction? You are traveling towards south. You took your left, so you are traveling towards west. Okay, you are traveling towards west. When you are traveling in this direction, you took your right. Right means east direction. Okay, let's say you are traveling towards south. A lot of people will get confused when they are traveling towards south, because this is opposite to your direction. Because when you're traveling to your north, your left is your left, your right is your right. Okay, then you can say your answer is west and east. But when you're traveling towards south, this is where confusion is going to happen. This is quite opposite. When you're traveling towards south, your left is what? Your left is this, opposite to the north. So that is east. When you're traveling towards south, your right is going to be what? West. So this is what you need to understand. And one more thing, when you are doing a direction questions, okay, when you are doing direction questions, please be in the question so that you will get your answers easily. Please be in the question so that you will get your answers easily. Okay, that is most important thing. Okay, that is most important thing you have to understand. Okay, మీరు క్వశ్చన్ లో ఉంటే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, and one more thing everybody, let's say you traveled 100 meters towards east. Okay, then you took your left and you traveled 50 meters. Okay, 50 meters towards north. Okay, then you took your right, then you took your left. Okay, and you traveled around 70 meters. Okay, 70 meters. So now they are going to ask you, this is a starting point, right? And this is the ending point, right? Okay, from starting, ending point is in which direction to the starting point? Ending point is which direction to the starting point? Tell me, what is the answer? So this is the starting point and this is the ending point, no? Which direction is this? Which direction is this, guys, everybody? Yes, which direction is this? This is the direction of what? Northwest. So Answer for the question is what? Northwest is the correct answer. ఇక్కడే పప్పులో పెరుగులో బిర్యానీలో కాలేస్తారు. See, guys, guys, listen. Guys, listen. You know, when you took, listen to me, because the diagram itself is wrong. When you're drawing a diagram, it's a common sense, right? When this is 100, okay, when I said 50 to the left, that has to be half of this. I mean, if this is 100, you know, almost half of this length should be there approximately. And you wrote like this. And I said, again took left and traveled 70 meters. When this is 100, if 100 is like this, how 70 will be like this? 70 will be somewhere here, right? When 70 is somewhere here, so your direction has to be like this. Yes or no? So what my whole point, see, I want to make a clear point here. When you're drawing it, let's say, if you said like, you know, 1 kilometer. Okay, if I said 2 kilometers, draw like this. If I said 500 meters, draw like this. Now I want this direction because the direction will change, right? If I draw 500 meters like this, my direction will change to this and you will end up with the wrong answer. Okay, so the whole point in this scenario, please good with your directions. Okay, and try to draw lens as per the as per the given data. Okay, yeah. And now and one more point, everybody, one more point, guys, look at here. Let's say you traveled towards east. Okay, you travel towards east. Let's say 5 kilometers, and from here you're traveling towards north around 3 kilometers. Okay, so this is the starting point and this is the ending point. Let's say this is the initial point and this is the ending point, right? Can you please tell me what is the distance between starting point to ending point? What is the distance between? Yes, Teja, you're right. What is the distance between starting point to ending point? Tell me on what basis I can solve this. This is called shortest distance. So you know, right? When it is a right angle triangle, okay, when it is a right angle triangle, this is A, this is B, and this is C. We know AB and we know BC. I want AC. How do you calculate? Which theorem I supposed to use? Very good, Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem tell us? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. If you want AC, that is nothing but square root of AB square plus BC square. Okay, so and it's a triplet, no? When 5, 3 is coming, what is the other triplet, ma? What is the other one? The other one is 4. Okay, the other one is what? Obviously 4 is the other one. No, it's not coming 4. Okay, whatever may be. Okay, if 4, 5 is there, okay. So my answer is 5 square plus. Okay, 5 should be the diagonal. Okay, okay. My whole point is, okay, let's take this as 4 and this as 3. Yeah, let's take this as 4 and this as 3 so that you will get the answer directly. Okay, now what is the answer? If this is 4 and this is 3, is this the 5? Yes, now it is 5. So what my whole point is, we are talking about Pythagoras theorem. When the concept of directions are coming, Pythagoras theorem is most important. Okay, Pythagoras theorem is most important. Okay, after all these theorems, and you know, let's say you are traveling towards north. Let's say you travel 100 meters. Okay, you travel 100 meters to, let's say this is your home. From your home, you travel 100 meters towards north. Okay, they will, you know, instead of telling take right and left, they will say like this. Ramesh is traveling from his home. He traveled towards north 100 meters. He turned 90 degrees clockwise direction. He turned 90 degrees clockwise direction. He turned and he didn't move, just he turned. He will be in the same position. Now tell me, now he is facing towards north. When he turned 90 degrees clockwise direction, he is going to face in which direction? So from here, the clockwise will be like this. So he will turn to this direction. So he will say like this. So Ramu traveled towards north 100 meters, then 90 degrees clockwise direction, 90 degrees clockwise direction, and he took his 90 degrees clockwise direction, and he traveled 50 meters. So now he's traveling in which direction? He's going to traveling in west, 50 meters of the thing. Okay, so this is what you need to understand. If I say a person is traveling towards north, he took 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. When he traveled 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction, he is moving in which direction? West. Okay, but if he said 45 degrees clockwise direction, 45 degrees clockwise direction. When 45 degrees clockwise direction, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. North nunchi ఇది 45 degrees. So which direction is this? Southeast direction. It's not northeast, southeast. E direction kadamma. E direction enti? E direction is what? Southeast direction. No, don't say northeast. Southeast. Northeast ante ఇటు పక్కన వెళ్ళాలా. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, southeast only. Southeast only. Because he's here, no? 45 degrees clockwise direction. He will be like this. Okay. So when the angles are involved, you should have a clarity. When the angles are involved, you should have a clarity. Okay. How? That's what I'm telling. Listen. Let's say you traveled towards east. Okay. Let's say you traveled towards east. Give me a minute. You traveled towards east. Okay. If you continue the journey, this is east, right? Okay. So if you are getting a confusion, make small direction at this point. Small direction at this point. Okay. So now tell me, this is what? When you're traveling towards east, so if you travel like this, this is east, this is north, this is south, and this is going to be what? West. So you made a small directions. Now tell me, if you are making a 90 degrees clockwise direction, on which side you will travel? 90 degrees clockwise direction. If you want 90 degrees clockwise direction, 90 degrees clockwise, this is 90 degrees, no? So you will travel towards south. You will travel towards south because this is the clockwise direction, right? You will travel towards south. So this is 90 degrees. But if I told like 45 degrees clockwise direction, now tell me 45 degrees clockwise direction, you will not travel this direction. You will travel this direction because this is 45 degrees, no? Now the answer is what? Southwest. Now the answer is what? Southwest. Okay. Supriya, I hope you understood now. ఇంతకు ముందు కూడా అదేగా జరిగిందమ్మా, ఇటువైపు వెళ్ళాడు. ఓకేనా? If he continue his journey, this is north. If you took like this, this is what? East, and this is what? Nana, west, and this is what? South. 90 degrees అంటే east. Okay, 90 degrees అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? East. మరి 45 degrees clockwise అంటే ఈ డైరెక్షన్ కదా. This is not 45 degrees clockwise. This is 45 degrees anti-clockwise. Arey Baba, south will come 90, then so will be more than that. No, you are traveling towards south. This will 90, no? This is 90 degrees, right? Okay. Yeah. If you do a couple of questions, you will understand easily. Okay. Don't munde, don't get assumptions like this. Okay. You will get your answers. Okay. Let's do a couple of questions. Let's do a couple of questions so that you will get your answers. Okay. Yeah. So here we go. This is your question number 1. This is your question number 1. Yes, guys. Okay. A person travels a distance of 7 kilometers towards east from his house, then travels 7 kilometers towards south, uh, and then a distance of 7 kilometers towards east, and finally 7 kilometers towards north. So what is the, so here you need to understand the word vertical distance. Okay, vertical distance is the point. Okay, a person travel a distance of 7 kilometers towards east. So initially he started like this. Let's take this is A and this is B. So this is 7 kilometers. Then what happened? Uh, from this point 7 kilometers towards north. So towards north means like this. Okay, if this is B and this is C, so again 7 kilometers. Then what happened? 7 kilometers towards north, then a distance of 7 kilometers towards east. Then a distance of 7 kilometers towards east. East means like this and this. So this is 7 and this is 7. So which distance you want? Vertical distance. So what is the vertical distance? The vertical distance is 14. Okay, the vertical distance is 14. Okay, the vertical distance of this question is what? 14 is the vertical distance. That's it. How about this? Now the horizontal. Now the horizontal distance. A person start from his house, travel 8 meters towards west, then travel 6 meters towards left. Okay, please go ahead and solve this. Okay. Couple of people are giving their answers. Yes, guys. So now the word here is horizontal. Okay, so this is horizontal. Okay, this is vertical, no, the straight one. Yeah. So now a person started from his house and travels 8 meters towards west. Okay, 8 meters towards west. So this is 8 meters. Let's say this is house A and B. Then he took his left. So this is going to be right and this is going to be left. No? So let me draw here. So A, B, 8 meters. So left means this direction only, no? If I am wrong, please correct me. Left means this direction only. Yes. Yeah. How many meters? 6 meters. From here, what happened? 6 meters. Then travel 6 meters towards the left and then 8 meters towards the west. Okay. From here again 8 meters towards the west. Okay. 8 meters. Okay. Let's say C and D. Now what happened? West and then 4 meters towards the south. So south means this one only, no? Yeah. South and then he turn his right. Okay, now he is here. So right would be which direction? This direction only, right? Is this the right one? Yes. So how many meters, ma? 5 meters. Okay. So you want which distance? Horizontal distance, which means this position to this position. So 8 and 5. So 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is what? 21 meters is the horizontal distance. 21 meters is the horizontal distance. Can you please tell me what is the vertical distance you traveled? The vertical distance is what? 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is what? 10 meters. That's it. Okay. So you should be clear with the what is horizontal and what is vertical. So this is the vertical distance and this is the horizontal distance. Horizontal distance is 21 and vertical distance is 10 meters. Okay. So that's complete your question. Next question. Yes, guys, what is the answer? 10 meters. A person walks 4 kilometers towards west. Okay. Then traveled what? Okay, 4 like this. Then traveled, then turns his right and traveled 9. 10 kilometers is the answer, traveled right. So right means like this. Then turn towards east and travel 12. Yeah, 12. Finally, he traveled 3 kilometers towards south. Okay. So how far he is from the, okay, so this is 4. This is what? 9 and this is 12. Okay, when this is 3 and we need this, right? Yes or no? How we can actually solve this? Tell me. Yeah. So can we make any triangle out of it? Yeah. We need only this distance, right? Yes. Can you please tell me what is this distance, Nana? Okay, what is this distance? Tell me. 6. Because this is 9 and this has to be 6. What? How about this? This is how much more? 8. Because total is 12, no? So this is 4. So we need this. So it's a square root of 6 square plus 8 square. So that is nothing but 36 plus 64. So that is 100. So answer is nothing but 10. So this is going to be 10. Okay. This is going to be 10 is the correct answer. That's it. Okay. That's it. So that's complete your solution. Let's go to the next one. Yes, guys, what is the answer? Why you are so confused with this? We need when the time is 6 o'clock, no? When the time is 6 o'clock, where is your hour hand? Your hour hand will show like this, and your minute hand will show like this. So the hour hand is showing which direction? Which direction is this? South. South is the correct answer. Okay, south is the correct answer. Now I am going to tell you the timing and you need to tell me which direction. When the time is 3:15, our hand shows which direction, tell me. When the time is 3:15, our hand I am asking, not minute hand. Our hand. Please don't get confused. Okay, don't get confused. See, you know, let's take, this is a circle. Okay, so this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. Guys, when the time is 3 o'clock, okay, when the time is 3 o'clock, so this is your hour hand and this is your minute hand. Okay? What I said, 3:15. When the time is 3:15, your minute hand will be at 3, but in 15 minutes time, the hour hand will tilt for some direction. So 3:15 ki kuda ikkade undadu. Slightly there is a tilt. It will tilt like this. When this is north and this is east and this is south. So now between this region, no? So this is what, ma? Which direction is this? This is the direction of southeast. Don't say east. East is going to be the wrong answer. Answer is what? Southeast is the correct answer. Okay, southeast is the correct answer. Southeast is the correct answer. Okay. When the time is 3:15. How about minute hand? Minute hand is in which direction? Tell me. When the time is 3:15, minute hand is at east direction. Okay, minute hand is at which direction? East direction. You should have clarity. Okay, now quickly tell me when the time is 12 o'clock. How about minute hand? Exactly 12 o'clock. How about minute hand? North. How about our hand? Our hand? Our hand is also north. But if I talk about when the time is 12:05, when the time is 12:05, how about our hand? Our hand. Our hand is between these two. So that two will give you northeast. Okay? Northeast. Northeast is the thing. Okay? Yeah. So I hope you understood the things. Okay, I hope you understood the things. All right? Yeah. So that's complete your solution. You know, let me ask you a question. A person is facing towards north. Okay, facing towards north. He took 45 degrees. Okay, he took 45 degrees clockwise direction. Okay, 45 degrees clockwise direction and 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction. 45 degrees clockwise direction and 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Now tell me, he is going to face which direction now? You should have clarity. So 45 means, yeah, 45 means he will be at this direction. Okay, so this is the clockwise direction of 45 degrees. Now, from here, anti-clockwise direction. So, from here, anti-clockwise direction means what? This is 45 again, this is 90. So, this is which direction, Anna? West direction. This is which direction? West direction. Okay. So, he traveled 45 degrees clockwise direction and 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Is that clear, everybody? Is that clear, everybody? Now, he will ask you like this. He repeated this process 100 times. He repeated this process 100 times. I mean, this is a one time, no? So, ikkadiki vachin tarvata malli he will do the same thing. So, if he did for 100 times, now he is facing which direction? That is the company specific question. That is the company specific question. Okay. See, every direction, under any directions cheptunnaru. Take your time for 2 minutes, then give your answer. Take your time for 2 minutes, then give your answer. Meer time teeskondi. Take your time and give your answer. Okay. Take your time, okay? North, south. Yes, ma. North, north, north. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Guys, when you repeat that process one time, so listen to me. So you will be at west. If you do it for second time, so first time west. Second time, ma? Second time అదే ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తే సో మళ్ళీ 45 degrees ఇటు సౌత్ కి వెళ్తాం. థర్డ్ టైం ఈస్ట్. ఫోర్త్ టైం north. And when you're starting from north, if you do 4 repetitions, you will be at north. You will be at north. So 100 times. So 100 times. So 100 times. Yes or no? When it is 100 times, okay. సో ఇట్లా ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ అవుతుంది 100/4 అంటే 25 సచ్ సైకిల్స్ అవుతాయి. అంటే ఇలాంటివి 25 రిపీట్ అవుతా ఉంటాయి. 25 రొటేషన్స్ అవుతాయి. మరి 25th అట్లా 25th రొటేషన్ తర్వాత కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు మీరు? వేర్ యూ విల్ బి దేర్? యూ విల్ బి ఎట్ నార్త్. ఓకే, యూ విల్ బి ఎట్ నార్త్. సో ప్రతి 4th టైం కి రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. సో 25 ఇట్లా 25 టర్మ్స్ అవుతాయి. సో లాస్ట్ కి ఎక్కడ ఉంటారా? నార్త్ దగ్గర ఉంటారు. ఇఫ్ ఐ ఆస్క్ యూ 101, వాడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి అడిగాడు. 101 అంటే అప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉంటారమ్మా? When you repeat this process 101 times, then you will be at west. Then you will be at west. So please mind when you are solving it. Okay. ఇవి చూడడానికి సింపుల్ గానే ఉంటాయి కానీ ఎవ్రీబడి డూ ఏ మిస్టేక్ బికాస్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో you don't have time and you are in a rush, you don't look all these things carefully. So that's why they'll conduct exam. Okay. So answer is what? North is the correct answer. Okay. North is the correct answer. Okay. I am giving 2 minutes time to solve these 2 questions. Your time starts now and solve these 2 questions quickly. Yes, ma. What is the first question answer? Okay, second question is 5. Everybody know. Second question is 5. It's a Pythagoras theorem, right? How about this question, Nana? First question. Because one morning Ravi observed that his shadow is falling on his right. So, which direction he is facing? Okay, which direction he is facing? Yeah. Guys, tell me. So the clue word here is morning. So morning sun rises. So sun rises from which direction, Nana? Sun rises from which direction? Come on. East kada. ఒకవేళ వాడు నార్త్ వైపు ఫేస్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు వీడి షాడో ఇటు కదమ్మా పడుతుంది. సో ఇటు పడుతుందంటే సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ నానా? నార్త్ సైడ్ కోడికి ఇదేంటమ్మా? ఇది లెఫ్ట్ కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? వెన్ నార్త్ సైడ్ కోడికి ఇది లెఫ్ట్ అయినప్పుడు సో ఈజ్ డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ ఫేసింగ్ నార్త్ కదా. Am I clear, Vivek Sai? మా ఇప్పుడు సన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి వస్తారు నాన్న, ఇప్పుడు షాడో ఎప్పుడు సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పడదు, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పడుతుంది. సో బట్ వాడేం చెప్తున్నాడు, రైట్ సైడ్ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో కంప్లీట్లీ ఆపోజిట్ టు దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ కదా, అంటే వాడు సౌత్ వైపు ఫేస్ చేస్తే వెన్ హీస్ ఫేసింగ్ సౌత్, ఇక్కడ షాడో వస్తే సో అప్పుడు ఏంటి, ఇది రైట్ అవుతుంది సౌత్ ఓడికి, ఇది లెఫ్ట్ కదమ్మా. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఆన్సర్, రైట్ సైడ్ పడుతుంటే వాడు ఎటువైపు ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నట్టు, సౌత్ వైపు. ఓకేనా, సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ వాట్, సౌత్. వెరీ గుడ్ తేజ, సౌత్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్, సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్. Okay, guys, same question. If this is in the evening, what is the answer? Same question. If this is in the evening, what is the answer? Now answer is what? Now the answer is north, because evening, sun sets at which direction, Nana? Sun sets at which direction? West direction. West unte vadu north వైపు ఫేస్ చేస్తేనే ఇక్కడ వాడి షాడో పడుద్ది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో అప్పుడు this is right, no, this is right of that particular person. Okay, obviously, so that is the opposite case of the morning. So ee questions మీరు చాలా బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, now let's do some company specific questions. Okay, so this is the question I want you to solve. I am giving 2 minutes to answer this. Your time starts now. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. What is the answer? 15. Okay. You might have drawn this, right? Okay. So, guys, give me a minute, because this is where a lot of people will get confused and they'll end up with the wrong answer. Abhi starts walking northeast direction. Travels 30 meters. So, northeast means, can I say, northeast. This is north and this is east. So, northeast direction is what? This is the direction? Is this the northeast? Yes. So he traveled how many meters? 30 meters. Now he is moving towards east and walks what? 20 meters. Okay. So guys, look at here. Ikkada confusion ostadi. Okay na? So please make small directions like this. మీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అవాయిడ్ చేయడానికి నేను ఐఎమ్ డ్రాయింగ్ దిస్ టు అవాయిడ్ యువర్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. If you travel like this is what, Nana? This is what? This is northeast, no? Yes or no? Idi northeast, ante idi north, idi east, and this is south and this is west, right? Now tell me, now he is moving towards east direction. East direction means what? A straight line, or is there any curve line you will get? Is there is a straight line, or is there is a curve line? From here, this direction is traveling. Yes or no? So this is what? This is what you need to understand. So this is 20. This is what? This is 20. Okay? This is 20. Got it? This is how he traveled. Okay? This is 20. Okay? From here, what happened? Southwest direction. Can I say the southwest will be like this? Yes or no? Southwest is like this. How? Why? This is east anyway. This is going to be what? North. And this is going to be south, and this is going to be east. If you are getting it out, draw small diagrams. So this is what? Your southeast. Okay, southwest, sorry. From here, again traveled towards west. So west means what, Nana? West means what? West, how many meters? 30, yeah? West, how many? Finally, he walked towards west. 5. So, ఇది 5. 5 meters. If you want to finish this, this is the distance only he need to travel. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. What is the distance? Can I say it's a, which kind of diagram is this? First tell me that. Which kind of diagram is this? Which kind of diagram is this? Parallelogram. When this is 30, this is also 30. When this is 20, this has to be 20. When it is 20, already you traveled 5. So remaining distance is what? 15 meters. Okay, 15 meters is the correct answer. Okay, 15 meters is the correct answer. 15 meters is the correct answer. All right. Yeah, so that's your solution. 15 meters is the correct answer. Okay, 15 meters is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, take your 3 minutes time and do it. Yes, guys, what is the answer? West is the answer. West, 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 west. Okay. Right. West is the answer. West is the answer. All right. Okay. So guys, K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. Let's say this is the point capital P. Okay, from this point, which direction is that? Northwest. So it's like this. Give me a minute. Yeah. So northwest means like this. So this is a 2 kilometers. Okay. From here, what happened? So this is named as K. This is named as what? K. When this is named as K, next what is saying? R is the another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. So if you closely observe, the southwest will become like this. Yes or no? And after this you will get one more point like this, and like this. This is what you got, or one more hill is going to come? One, two. Okay, let me make a point. So K, and this is R. Next is what? M is another place. This is what, Nana, finally? T. Do we have any other locations? No. So they were asking what? Look at here. See the point. Which direction T is located with respect to P. So you have to look like this. Okay, you with respect to P. From P you need T is in which direction. From P you have to check. This is north, this is east, and this is south, and this is what, Nana? West. So from P, this T is where? West direction. So answer for the question is what? West is the correct answer. But if I change my question to like this, which direction is P is located with respect to T? Then what is the answer? Then the answer will become quite opposite. Then the answer will become what? East. Okay, then the answer will become what? East is the correct answer. Okay? 1 minute. Yeah. Next question. Take this question as a screenshot. Do it at the end of a session. ఇది స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి, తర్వాత చేయండి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ని. ఎందుకంటే కొంచెం క్లాక్ వైజ్ యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డిగ్రీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న, అవి చేద్దాం ఫస్ట్. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ ఇవి చేయండి అమ్మా. Yeah, I am assuming you might have taken this screenshot. Yeah, take this question also your screenshot. These are the distances ones. Distances ones, we have done couple of questions, okay? Yeah. Okay. I want you to solve this question. Take your time of 5 minutes. Okay. Or once you got your answer, please let me know. Your time starts now. Okay, guys. What is the answer? Okay. Southwest, northwest, southwest. Okay, southwest. A lot of people are saying southwest. Okay, a lot of people are saying southwest. And any other answers? Southwest is the answer. Northeast is one more answer. Southwest, but maximum people are saying southwest. Northeast. Okay. Okay. There is a controversy. There is a debate is going on between northeast, northwest, southwest, అన్ని west అయిపోయినాయి, అన్ని directions వచ్చాయి. Okay, all directions you are getting. Okay, right. Let's see. Okay, everybody, let's see. Ranjit from his home, he walked 100 meters towards east. Okay, so 100 meters towards east. Okay, guys, if I'm making any mistake, please let me know. Yeah, so 100 meters. Okay, let's take this as 100 meters. Then what happened? Then turn his right and 50 meters. So now tell me which direction I supposed to move now? 50 meters right means which direction? Please respond according to the question. Okay, now I have to move towards south. Now I have to move towards south. So this is the south one. So 50. Okay. Or kya hua? After then he walks 20 meters towards the southwest. Okay, southwest. So can I say southwest means like this? Yes. So as of till here everybody clear, ma? Till here everybody clear? This is 100 meters, this is 50, and this is 20. Is my all directions are right as of now? Yes. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. Okay, please be careful. Okay, guys, you know, if you continue your journey, okay, if you continue your journey, this is what, Nana? This is a southwest thing. Okay, this is a southwest thing. Okay, you know, here try to make small directions so that you will get a clarity. So this is north, this is south. Okay, so this is east, and this is what? West. Okay, if you continue your journey, this would be the thing. Now, you know, now this is your clockwise direction and this is your anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so can I say anti-clockwise like this? Because he's talking about anti-clockwise only, no? Now you are just rotating, you are not moving anywhere, you are changing your direction now. 125 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Now tell me, 125 degrees anti-clockwise direction means you are going to face which direction now? ఇక్కడ ఇది వస్తే అందరు వచ్చేసినట్టే. Sorry, 225 degrees. I'm sorry, 225 degrees anti-clockwise. So this is 225 degrees anti-clockwise direction. So this is 180 and this is this. So now you are facing towards north. Yes, very good. Now you are facing towards north. And you traveled how many meters? 500 meters from here. You are somewhere here. Okay. అక్కడ నుండి you are traveling 500 meters like this. North direction లో 500 meters వచ్చాయి ఇట్లా. Let's say this is a 500 meters. Okay. Now what is your question, Nana? What is your question? In which direction Ranjit has to walk in order to reach his house? వాడి హౌస్ ఏమో ఇక్కడ ఉందమ్మా, వాడేమో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ పాయింట్. మరి ఇప్పుడు వాడు ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి? హీ హ్యాస్ టు ట్రావెల్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. హీ హ్యాస్ టు ట్రావెల్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. అప్పుడు ఏంటి, మీ క్లారిటీ కోసం ఇది నార్త్ నానా, ఇది ఈస్ట్, ఇది వెస్ట్, ఇది సౌత్. సో ఈ డైరెక్షన్ ఏమి వచ్చిందమ్మా? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్? ఇక్కడ నుంచి అడగట్లేదు నాన్న, ఇక్కడ నుంచి అడుగుతున్నారు. అందుకే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నారు చాలా మంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? Ranjit has to walk in order to reach his home. హోమ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి రీచ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇది కదా వాడు ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. ఇది ఏ డైరెక్షన్? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్? సౌత్ వెస్ట్. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇదే డైరెక్షన్ అంటే దట్ ఈస్ నార్త్ ఈస్ట్. అగ్రీ. Okay, but the question is what? In which direction Randit has to walk in order to reach his home? ఇక్కడ నుంచి వాడు ఇట్లా రావాలి. అప్పుడు ఏ డైరెక్షన్ అవుతుందమ్మా అది? Which direction is this? This is the northeast direction is the sorry, southwest direction is the final answer, because this is the southwest region only, no? Southwest region is the final answer. How many got southwest? Raise your hands in the live chat quickly. Yeah. Very good, very good. People who got southwest, they're absolutely right. Okay, people who got southwest, they are absolutely right. We'll do 2 more questions on this so that you will get a clarity. ఇంకా ఒక డైరెక్షన్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేద్దాం, మీకు ఇంకా క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? యాంగిల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నా, ఇది యాంగిల్ క్వశ్చనా కాదు, టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. ఇది యాంగిల్ క్వశ్చన్. డూ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ మా. Okay, people are coming up with their answers saying southeast, northeast, southeast, west. మా ఒకే ఆన్సర్ రావాలి, అన్న ఆన్సర్ రాకూడదు. వెస్ట్, నార్త్ ఈస్ట్, ఓకే, సౌత్ ఈస్ట్, సౌత్ ఈస్ట్, southeast, northeast. Again, everybody is okay. Guys, you know, see, Anita walks 20 meters towards southeast. So 20 meters towards southeast. So this is the direction. So she traveled 20 meters. Okay. From here, what happened? 90 degrees clockwise direction. Now tell me, from this is the direction of northeast. Okay, from northeast 90 degrees. Tell me which direction she is moving now. ఏ డైరెక్షన్ అమ్మా? ఇప్పుడు ఏ డైరెక్షన్ చెప్పాలి మీరు. టెల్ మీ ద డైరెక్షన్. వెస్టా మా? ఇప్పుడు సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ అవుతుంది. నార్త్ వెస్టా? అరే బాబా, క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ కదా నాన్న, ఇది క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. 90 degrees అంటే ఇది, దిస్ ఇస్ ద 90 degrees థింగ్. ఓకేనా? ఇట్లా ఉందంటే ఇదే కదమ్మా 90 degrees. చీకే 90 degrees ఇది అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో 90 degrees అంటే ఎంత? యూనో ఇట్స్ ఎ థింగ్ ఆఫ్ వాట్, సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ వైపు ఎంత, ఎన్ని మీటర్స్ అన్న? 500. 500 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో ఉంటారు. తర్వాత ఏమైంది ఫైనల్ గా? then finally she turns 225 degrees in a anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌస్, ఇది హౌస్. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి నాకు జస్ట్ షీఈస్ టర్నింగ్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ షీఈస్ టర్నింగ్. మా ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్ గా కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ 225 degrees clock యాంటీ క్లాక్? ఓకే, క్లాక్ వైజ్. 225 degrees clockwise. When 225 degrees clockwise, when 225 degrees clockwise, ma if she continue the journey, okay, tan itla veltadi. So in first question, I'm sorry. Yeah, you know, ma this is north and this is south, this is east and this is west. Okay na, tan first itla వెళ్ళింది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి తను ఇట్లా సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ లో వచ్చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇట్లా వచ్చింది సౌత్ ఈస్ట్, అవునా? సో సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత తను కంటిన్యూ చేసింది అనుకోండి, అది సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ అవుద్ది. ఓకే, తను కంటిన్యూ చేస్తే సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా అమ్మా? సో ఇది ఈస్ట్ నాన్న. ఓకే, ఇది వెస్ట్. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు వర్డ్, దిస్ ఈస్ నార్త్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ సౌత్. ఇప్పుడు తను ఇట్లా ఉంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ అ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో, సో క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో షీఈస్, ఇఫ్ షీఈస్ లైక్ 180 degrees, మళ్ళీ తను నార్త్, ఐ మీన్ అదర్ డైరెక్షన్ లో వెళ్తుంది. సో 225 కదా, సో మళ్ళీ తను ఈ డైరెక్షన్ వెళ్తుంది, నార్త్ డైరెక్షన్ లో. ఇప్పుడు తను రొటేట్ అయింది, రైట్? నార్త్ డైరెక్షన్ కి షీ వాస్ రొటేటెడ్ యాజ్ నార్త్ డైరెక్షన్. సో ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? ఇన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ అనిత ఫైనల్లీ వాకింగ్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు రీచ్? సో ఇక్కడ నుండి ఈ డైరెక్షన్ అన్న, దిస్ డైరెక్షన్, దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ వాట్? ఇది నార్త్ అనుకోండి, ఇది నార్త్, ఇది సౌత్, సారీ వెస్ట్. నార్త్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. I am getting northwest. How about you? Northwest. Yes, northwest is the correct answer. How many of you got northwest? How many of you got northwest? Very good, very good. Northwest, only north? No, northwest is the correct answer, because from southwest 225 degrees clockwise, she is facing north now. నార్త్ నుంచి తను ఆ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ అ నార్త్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్. అదే నాన్న, అది కూడా కరెక్టే సంజయ్, యు ఆర్ రైట్. యా, because some people are making, there is a allegation that in order to, okay, Anita works, okay, hang on, let's understand question clearly. Anita walks 20 meters towards northwest, then walk 90 degrees clockwise direction and walks 500 meters, then finally 220 degrees. Guys, wait a minute. Yes, from that point to starting point it was northwest, but what it was mentioned, I am also looking at that thing only. Look at here, she turns 225 degrees in the clockwise direction and walks in that direction to reach home. So she's supposed to travel in this direction to reach home. Okay, so in which direction Anita finally walking in order to reach home? North is the thing. Yes. Iddar ante we interpreted differently. Question manam different ga ardham cheskunnam. Okay, actual answer for this question is north nana, because from starting point to ending point, ఒకవేళ తన హౌస్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు నార్త్ వెస్ట్ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. yes, north is the correct answer. North, because we northeast కాదు నాన్న, it's only north. అదే నాన్న 225 degrees clockwise కాబట్టి నార్త్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే తను సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ లో ట్రావెల్ చేసింది కృష్ణ వంశీ. తను సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ లో ట్రావెల్ చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ లో ట్రావెల్ చేసి ఓకేనా మళ్ళీ 225 degrees అనుకోండి, క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, షీఈస్ టర్నింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ నార్త్. ఓకేనా తను నార్త్ వైపుకి వెళ్తుంది. మా క్లాక్ వైజ్ అంటే ఇది. అరే 1 minute, I'll give a clarity. Vamshi, wait. North, south, east, west. ఇది కదా సౌత్ ఈస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ నుంచి యూ కెన్ గో 180 degrees క్లాక్ వైజ్ ఆర్ 180 degrees యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తావు చెప్పు? స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ కి వెళ్తావు. ఓకే సో ఇది 180 అవుతే ఇది ఎంత నాన్న, ఇది ఒక 45 ఉంటుంది, అప్పుడు కదా 225 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏ డైరెక్షన్ వెళ్తుంది? నార్త్ లో వెళ్తుంది. ఓకే మనీ యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ సంథింగ్. సో ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ది డైరెక్షన్ షీ ఈస్ ట్రావెలింగ్. ఎస్, ఫైనల్లీ షీ ఈస్ ట్రావెలింగ్ కదా. ఇన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ అనిత ఫైనల్లీ వాకింగ్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు రీచ్ హర్స్ హోమ్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తున్నారు ముందే, 225 degrees in the clockwise direction. That's what. So answer ఏంటమ్మా, north is the correct answer. Okay, north is the correct answer. Yes, north is the correct answer. People who got north, they are absolutely right. People who got north, they are absolutely right. Okay? Okay, done with this everybody? Finished? Done with this? Okay, yeah. Ma finished? Hello, done with this? Say yes in the live chat. Yeah. Okay everybody, so that's all my time today. Thanks a lot for being in the session. Have a great day everybody. Thank you. So see you next class. I mean tomorrow evening also we have a session. So ee roju test untadi, aa test questions anni చేయండి. రేపు ఆ టెస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అని నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీబడి. హ్యావ్ ఏ గుడ్ డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ లో రేపు ఈవినింగ్ కూడా సెషన్ ఉంది కదా మనకు 4:30 to 6. ఆ సెషన్ లో విల్ గో అండ్ సాల్వ్. ఈ రోజు కొన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి చాలా మందికి, అవన్నీ నేను క్లియర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? మనం ఏమైతే క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ వస్తాయి, దాంట్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే విల్ సీ నాన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ. యా కృష్ణ వంశీ, విల్ డూ ఇట్ రేపు ఈవినింగ్ ఫస్ట్ మనం చేసేది అదే క్వశ్చన్. ఓకేనా? యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. బాయ్.